Hi all, welcome back. In today's functional group series, we are taking isocyanides, also known as carbalamine, also known as isonitriles. तो अगर आप isocyanide की बात कर रहे हैं, तो आप बात कर रहे हैं N double bond C coordination to C, and here the alkyl group will be there. Here the alkyl group will be there. Carbalamine कैसे लिखा जाता है? N double bond C coordination to C. Coordination means both the electrons in this bond is used by nitrogen and there is a pair of electron here. ठीक है? And negative on carbon and positive on nitrogen. Yes, nitrogen being an electronegative has got positive here. इसको थोड़ा और सिंप्लीफाई करके भी लिख सकते हैं. So nitrogen and carbon. Nitrogen की वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th here. Carbon valence electron is 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. And there is a bond here, correct? ये बनेगा triple bond. और because this electron is of nitrogen is with carbon now, तो कार्बन को गेन हो गया इलेक्ट्रॉन का सो नेगेटिव और नाइट्रोजन को लॉस हुआ सो पॉजिटिव. So either you write with this coordination system or write with triple bond. It's up to you. But this is the structure of isonitrile or isocyanide or carbalamine. So isocyanide means N double bond C or coordination to C, and carbon there is a negative charge here which we have discussed and positive on nitrogen. So this is isocyanide or isonitrile, and obviously there will be an alkyl group here. Now let's talk about cyanide or nitriles. So cyanide means C triple bond N. Cyanide means C triple bond N. Now let's focus on valence electron of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4th here, which is bonded to alkyl group. And let's focus on nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. तो अगर आप cyanide का functional group देखेंगे, that is C triple bond N and lone pair is with nitrogen. But if you see isocyanide structure, that is N double bond C coordination to C from nitrogen to carbon, इसको आप N triple bond C भी लिख सकते हैं. Pair of electron on carbon, negative carbon में